If you are preparing for NEET PG 2025, I'm sure you've heard about this. The exam will happen on June 15 in 2 shifts, and this has created a lot of confusion among students. You might be thinking, what if my shift is tougher than the other one? Will I get fewer marks because of that? How will they make it fair for everyone? In this video, I'll explain exactly how this works. What is the normalization process? Why is National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences is using it? And what are the genuine concerns students have? Let's break it down point by point. The first question is, why is the NEET PG exam being held in 2 shifts this year? The answer is logistics. The number of applicants has increased. It's not possible to sit all candidates across India in one session. So National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences has decided to split the examination into 2 different shifts, a morning shift and an afternoon shift. Each shift will have a different paper, but based on the same syllabus and exam pattern. That's where the next concern begins. Even though both shifts follow the same syllabus, the difficulty level of the 2 papers might not be exactly the same. Let's say the morning paper has tougher clinical questions and the afternoon paper has more direct or easier questions. In this case, students who got the tougher paper may score less, even if they were better prepared. That's a valid concern, and many students are worried about this. To solve this, the National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences uses a method called normalization. In simpler words, normalization means adjusting scores so that the students from both shifts are compared fairly. It tries to make sure that if one shift was harder, your score is not affected negatively just because of that. Here's how the process works step by step. First, you get your raw scores, which is the number of correct answers minus negative marking. Then your percentile is calculated within your shift. A percentile shows how many students you scored better than in your shift. For example, if your percentile is 98, it means you did better than 98% of students in your shift. This process is done for students in both shifts. After that, the National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences prepares a combined merit list using this percentile scores. Your rank and eligibility are decided based on the normalized data. So your final position is not based on just marks, but on how you performed compared to the others in your shift. Now here's the important part. Many students are still not convinced by this process. They say the normalization formula is not transparent. The actual question paper are not released, so no one can compare the difficulty. And after the controversy around NEET UG 2024, trust has gone down. Some students even worry that the system could be unfair or that it might hide mistakes. Petitions have been filed in the courts asking for full transparency on the normalization process, public release of question papers and answer keys, and clear data on how fairness is maintained. On the other side, National Board of Examination in Medical Sciences says normalization is a scientific method used in top Indian exams like GATE, NEET UG, CAT, etc. It ensures fairness even when multiple shifts are needed. They claim that the system is tested and reliable and that all students will be tested equally. But the actual formula and method are not fully shared with the public, and that's why students are still anxious. So should you be scared about the 2-shift exam? Let's be honest, some concerns are valid. Students have the right to ask for transparency. At the same time, the system is not new. It has been used in many national level exams for years. The best thing you can do right now is focus on your preparation, give mocks in both morning and afternoon slots to simulate both shifts. Don't try to guess which shift is better, you can't control that. Control what you can, your effort, your strategy, your mindset. We know this process can feel unfair, we understand your anxiety, but please remember, one exam does not define your entire future. Whether it's NEET PG or any other examination or even working abroad, there are many options available. Keep believing in yourself, your hard work will never go to waste. And we'll be right here, guiding you through every step of your journey. If this video helped you clear your doubts, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe for more honest research-based updates. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, we'll reply to every genuine concern. Stay strong, stay focused, you've got this.